Improving focus. IELTS listening exercises for those easily distracted in exams. In IELTS listening, speakers often provide incorrect information and then correct themselves, creating a distraction. This tactic can lead to distraction, as you might accept the initial information as correct. Many IELTS candidates fall into this trap. The speaker corrects their statement and offers an accurate answer. Here are illustrative examples. Listen to audio, answer questions, and refer to the transcript for highlighted answers.
We provide all the meals, so we need to know if you have any dietary restrictions.
I don't think so. What do you mean?
I mean, if there's any food you can't eat. Some people have food allergies or are vegetarian or have to avoid dairy products, things like that.
Oh, I see. Well, yes, I'm a vegetarian. I never eat meat.
In the given instance, initially, the speaker claims no dietary restrictions. However, upon further clarification, she responds, "What do you mean?" and subsequently confirms being a vegetarian.
So, your phone number is 1157423.
No, there's a little mistake. Actually, it's 1157432.
Oh, I'm sorry.
In the beginning, a certain number is mentioned. Later, the man acknowledges the mistake and provides the correct number. As a result, the accurate response is the corrected number. How do I avoid distraction mistakes in IELTS listening? Listen carefully even if you've heard the answer. It may be corrected, and the right answer will come afterwards. Pay attention to word indicators. No, sorry, mistake. These words indicate that the wrong answer will be corrected soon. Keep in mind that such distractions are very common for part 1 of the listening test. Be careful when you hear numbers or names, they often get corrected.